The morning breaks softly over the Andhra village. Near the banks of the Godavari, where the river breathes life into the land, smoke rises from one kitchen, and slowly, the whole street stops. Neighbors look up from their work. Children pause their play. Even the river seems to listen. That aroma, rich, deep, ancient. It is the Rajugari Biryani.
When I think of that smell, it did not stay inside four walls. It traveled the whole road, every house, every corner. That is what a recipe made with real love does. It cannot be contained. Today, I am making that biryani for you, my dear ones. Come and join me to cherish this tastiest Rajugari Biryani.
Rajugari, the word itself carries a history. Raju, the royal ones, the landowners, the keepers of tradition. This biryani did not come from a restaurant. It did not come from a cookbook. It came from a kitchen where the women rose before sunrise, ground their own spice pastes by hand, and cooked for an entire village without measuring a single thing.
Shanthi Paati looks up and with a smile. My mother-in-law, she never used a packet masala, not once. Everything was fresh, everything was ground by hand. The smell of roasting dhania and sambu in the morning, that was the alarm clock for the whole house. She used to say, "The spice paste is the soul. If your paste is right, your biryani is right." I never forgot that.
One detail separates this biryani from all others. Not the mutton, not the rice. It is the coconut milk. Half a liter of fresh coconut milk poured into the pot where the mutton cooks, giving the rice a richness that no amount of ghee alone can create. This is the Rajugari secret.
Yes, you said it right. Let me show you what ingredients we need, my dear ones. For this biryani, you will need, for the base, basmati rice 1 kilo, soaked for 20 minutes.
Mutton, 1 kilo, washed with salt and turmeric. 3 onions, 2 sliced thin, 1 boiled for the paste. 6 to 10 green chilies, slit straight. Ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons. Curd, 250 grams. Butter, 100 grams. Sunflower oil, 2 spoons. Coconut milk, half a liter. This is the Rajugari secret for the whole spices. Cinnamon, 2 long pieces. Cloves, 6 to 8. Small elaichi, 5. Big elaichi, 3. Bay leaf, 2. Star anise, 3. Shajira, 1 spoon. Sombu, 1 spoon. Marathi mogu, 2. Javitri, 1 piece. Nutmeg, 1 medium piece. Dry lemon, 2. Gasa, 1 spoon if available. For the ground paste, dhania, 2 spoons. Red chilies, 4. Cinnamon, cloves, elaichi, a little each. Sombu, 1 spoon. Cashews, 8 to 10. Badam, 3 to 4. Roasted together in 1 spoon of ghee and ground fine.
And mint and coriander. 1 full bunch each. Fresh, always fresh.
Shanthi Paati now starts with cooking. Shanthi Paati begins the way her mother-in-law taught her. First, the mutton.
Wash the mutton well with a little salt and turmeric. Then pressure cook 5 whistles. If it is tender baby mutton, 4 whistles is enough. Do not overcook. We will cook it again with the rice. And the water, do not throw it away. That water carries all the flavor of the mutton. We will use it.
While the mutton rests, she prepares the marination. Curd, ginger garlic paste, a pinch of salt, half a spoon of turmeric, mixed into the cooked mutton and kept aside. Patience is part of the recipe. Then, the spice paste.
Looks up and says, "We need to prepare for grinding now. Take 1 spoon of ghee in the kadai. Then, dhania, red chilies, cloves, cinnamon, elaichi, sombu, cashew, badam. Roast slowly. The house should smell of this roasting. That is how you know the heat is right. Let it cool. Then grind to a fine paste. This paste, this is where the flavor lives.
Separately, 1 onion is boiled with cashews, then ground to a smooth paste. The boiling water saved. Nothing is wasted in this kitchen. Now, the cooking begins.
Now let's start the cooking process. Take your widest, heaviest vessel, or a 5-liter pressure cooker. This biryani needs space. Put butter and 2 spoons oil. When it is hot, add all your whole spices: cinnamon, cloves, elaichi, big elaichi, bay leaf, Marathi mogu, javitri, star anise, nutmeg, shahjira, sombu. Let them fry. Let them speak.
The kitchen fills now with the layered fragrance of an Andhra village morning. Then, the sliced onions, the green chilies, fried slowly until golden brown.
Golden brown, not pale, not dark. This color, this is what gives the biryani its depth. My mother-in-law would stand and watch until it was exactly right. I do the same.
The ground onion, cashew, marinated mutton, fresh ground paste, ginger garlic paste, the dry lemon, all goes in now. Everything fried together, slowly, patiently, until the oil rises to the surface.
When you see the oil coming up, that is the sign. The masala is ready. The mutton is ready. Now the rice comes in.
The soaked basmati rice is added. Then, 1½ glasses of the saved mutton water. And then, the Rajugari secret, ½ liter of fresh coconut milk.
This coconut milk, it does something no other ingredient can do. It makes every grain of rice soft and rich and fragrant. This is what makes Rajugari Biryani different from any other biryani you have tasted.
Salt, tasted and adjusted. Then the lid is closed. In the pressure cooker, 2 whistles. 2 only. Then the stove is turned off. The pressure is released gently.
Now mint, coriander, fried onion on top. Close the lid again and wait. Half an hour. Do not open, do not peek. Let the biryani breathe inside. This resting time, this is also cooking. After half an hour, the lid opens. Not a spoon, but the back of a spatula or a fork gently lifting the rice from below. Not stirring, lifting. This way, every grain stays separate. Fluffy, light, the rice will not stick. This is the final secret. How you open the biryani matters as much as how you cook it.
The Rajugari Mutton Biryani is ready. Served with nothing more than a simple onion raita. Because this biryani needs no accompaniment, it is complete. This is not a recipe from a restaurant. It is not from a cooking class. It traveled from a village on the banks of the Godavari, through the hands of women who cooked without measuring, loved without condition, and fed entire streets from one kitchen. Cook with love, honor past hands.
And when the aroma travels out of your kitchen, smile. Because that is the Rajugari way. Happy cooking, my dear ones.
Every grain of rice, a memory. Every spice, a story. Every bite, a village on the Godavari, alive again.